We guide you through how to delete Reels history on Facebook. So, first thing you need to do is to open your Facebook app and make sure you are logged in. Then tap your profile picture or the menu icon on the top or bottom corner of your screen, depending on your device. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then select Settings, and look for Activity Log. Once you're inside Activity Log, find and tap Log Actions and Other Activity, or simply search for Reels in the search bar. After that, tap on Reels videos you've watched where you'll see your full watch history. Now, to delete your Reels history, tap Clear Video, Watch History, or select individual videos and remove them one by one depending on your preference. Confirm your action when prompted, and that's it. Your Facebook Reels history is now cleared. Keep in mind this may reset your recommendations, so you might start seeing different content on your feed. And that's how you delete Reels history on Facebook.